It's not that easy being green, having to spend each day the color of the leaves.
An attack is ongoing against the city of Milwaukee. The attackers are human, but with strange eye colors. They are using strange enchanted weaponry and is causing extensive damage to the city. Residents are advised to shelter in place. Do not play vigilante and fight back. Let the military handle the situation. Stay tuned for more information.
Coming home.
You turned my room into a gym?
Yeah, what do you think?
Where am I supposed to sleep? Ta-da!
Natesville!
And he's about to find